What's up guys, I'm back with another video of Google Chromecast version 2. It has an ability to cast the apps such as YouTube, Hook, Eros Now, Ditto, Saban, Netflix and Play Store and many other apps. There is also an app of Google Home on Play Store and App Store also. Here are the simple setup, how to connect it, and it has an ability of 1080p and 2.4 Hz to 5 Hz Wi-Fi connection. And here are the information written on the below that are not important. Now let's unbox it. As the cables are also included inside the box. Here are how to connect it and plug in into the power and switch in TV input and set it up. And here is also an Google Chrome hologram over the box. And now let's unbox it. Here is the Google Chromecast in the black variant, having a great looks and elegancy. Let's put it aside and see what are the other things in the box. Here is the cable and the adapter inside the box with two-way pin, as it is having the 100 to 240 volts. It is type A to micro USB. Yes, it is a tough cable with a velcro for the neatness of the cable. And let's put aside all the other box content and see how the Google Chromecast look like. Here it is. Yes, it looks nice in the hands, and it is having a smooth finish over the corners and matte finish backside of it. It connects through the HDMI port into the TV. Here is the power button, micro USB and the power indicator. And there is a magnet also, which look very efficient and effective also. Yeah, that's something amazing. And let's see the quick overview of the Google Chromecast. Hope you guys like our video. Do not forget to subscribe and like our video. Thanks for watching.